So this is all the scrap leftovers that we have from the previous build that we did in the trunk. So now we're gonna take all of this and try to make something for Charlie. Charlie, you wanna say hi? Yeah? What do you think? We're gonna make you a nice bed, buddy? To be honest, guys, I don't even know he's gonna even use this platform, so it might be more for me than for him, so let's get started. So the problem that I have with Charlie is that he's a pretty big boy. Him sitting on this seat in the front is kind of a struggle. He can barely basically sit, and I can tell that he always wants to take his paws and puts it right here so he can stick his head out the window and just, you know, look straight. If you have an FJ or you know anything about the FJ, the rear window in the back seat, it doesn't open or anything. So I always feel bad that he's always sticking his face against the window and just like, I don't know, just being a derp and hoping that it's gonna pop out or something. So I really want him to kind of sit in the front whenever he can. I know he's much more comfortable in the back. I just want him to have something up in the front if need be whenever he wants to be up in the front with the window down. And also, and this is the main reason, is that when I do sleep in the back for stealth camping, there's not that much room for him to be back there, I'm assuming, because I've yet to actually try it. I want him to have his own personal space so he doesn't get overheated and everything. Because again, he's a big boy with a thick coat. I want him to be comfortable up in front. So for right now, we're just gonna focus on the passenger side and then slowly get into the driver's side if need be and if we have enough materials. Like I said, everything we're using right now is scrap from the previous build. So we're gonna do what we can with what we have, and then we'll buy more supplies if needed. You can kind of see the rough idea that I have in my head what to do. I was gonna take this piano hinge and cut it to size like that so we can fold this backwards. And then I was thinking using a bunch of these hinges, have it like this, flip that back, like that. Then when I lift this up, be hinged like that, hinged like that, hinged like that. And then on these ends is actually overlapping on the center console a little bit. So I was just gonna cut just a nub, that's enough up there. That's basically it, and then carpet it. I do have to do a little bit more cutting. When this comes over like this, kind of overlaps the shifter a little bit. Not sure how much clearance we're gonna have. So I'm just gonna notch this. I honestly just estimated how much space it is, but I'm sure it'll be okay. So let's see how that goes. I think Charlie prefers that. Alright, well, let's see what he does. We'll see how this goes. Try. Down. Good, 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 good. Yes. Ooh, big going. Big going. Okay. Alright, buddy. Look in the window. You're exhausted, aren't you? Yeah, we just had some fun at the dog park. So we just came back finishing that up. This guy stole a ball. Nothing unusual. Very dirty ball. Down. Come on, you got it, you got it. I believe in you. Down. Yes! Yes! It works! He is comfortable enough to lay down. I don't really know if this shows on camera how excited I am. The fact that he can lay down like this makes me extremely happy. Obviously, he's tired, he has anxiety and everything. This is something new to him. It's gonna take him a little bit to get used to, but it honestly makes me happy that he's able to lay down. So, over time, I will perfect this, you know, make this a little more rugged and everything for him so he doesn't slip around and all that jazz. But for now, I think this is a very big success. I think Charlie will be happy in the long term. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making this one a lot. Version 2 will come out once I figure out all the little nicks and necks and crannies and everything with this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video with Charlie and I, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Later.